Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the right control panel end cap on your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Open the oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws securing the control panel's lower cover. Remove the cover. Pull off the 5 control knobs. Next, unthread the 2 screws securing the control panel to the frame. Detach the control panel. Then disconnect the DisplayBoard wire connector and the touchpad ribbon connector to fully release the panel. You can now unthread the mounting screws to release the old end cap. Install the new end cap by aligning it on the panel, then thread and tighten the mounting screws. Returning to the range, connect the wire connector to the display board and the ribbon connector to the touchpad. Realign the control panel on the front brackets. Secure it with the screws. Replace the lower cover. Then thread the screws to secure. Realign the control knobs on the valve stems and push them into place. Note that the power burner control knob should be placed on the second stem from the left. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.